Jackie from Nova Scotia, Canada. How's everyone? Happy New Year! I hope na okay kayong lahat. Kung meron man kayong pinagdadaan ng struggles or problems, don't worry, malalagpasan nyo yan. Just never give up. 2025, new hope, new opportunities, new problems, new challenges, and new blessings na darating sa buhay natin. Anyways, kung ano man yung blessings na matatanggap nyo, be thankful. Maliit man ito o malaki. And kung ano man struggles na mapagdadaanan natin or problems, don't worry, malalagpasan nyo yan. As long as don't give up on yourself, believe on yourself, and never give up. Never give up, never give up para sa future ng family natin. But anyways, I'm here to invite you to our live free webinar on how to start your own digital business. So come and join us. Let's all learn on how to start our own successful digital business. So I'll see you there. Register to my website. It is free. So register to my website and I'll see you there. God bless and thank you.